Welcome back, Bob Grows here. Before we get started, remember it's over 1,000 degrees out in South Florida. Remember to stay hydrated. But real quick, I've been doing a lot of work in the backyard. As you can see, the pile of mulch is almost gone, wood chips rather. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what I did with it. I don't really have any before pictures or before footage, but the backyard is just growing crazy. But I've been trying to get it covered up. I know wood chips is a great ground cover for many reasons. I'm sure you could find videos out there in the related videos or from James Prigioni if you can see him. I've made 2 raised garden beds. They are not filled yet. They don't have plants in them yet. Let me flip around and show you. So when you walk into my backyard, the first thing you see here is my IBC tote here. Possible aquaponics coming soon, or I might just use it as a flood and drain. Hydroponics, you can see all the remnants of my hydroponic system. Everybody remembers the firehouse buckets. Here we have various plants potted in containers. We have all of my rain gutter grow system plants here. Tons of figs out here. There's some peppers. Not everything looks so happy. I do see a beautiful fig right back there. It's an absolute monster. I see some cherry peppers over here. A lot of figs here. The figs hold up well. I haven't been watering this as frequently as I like, and it's not exactly automated yet. The rain gutter grow system can be automated with a float valve. However, mine is not set up like that. I did add some of that mulch to all the plants, and they have been retaining moisture much better. This one back here is growing weeds, as you can see. Over here, I have more of my sub-irrigated planters. These are all figs. I have figs absolutely everywhere. That is a garbage container, and this is where I have been working. So I cleared out a ton of shrubbery here. I've laid down the beginning of the wood chips on the ground as a ground cover. I used to have a pile of landscaping foliage here on the floor that was kind of beginning to compost on its own. I can tell you it looks night and day already, the backyard. I have a random post from what used to be a gazebo at some point, but these are the raised beds I made. I made 2 different kinds, and they look absolutely beautiful. They look like something you would find on Pinterest. This one is made out of the plastic on the sides, and that one has the galvanized steel. The dimensions are the same. They are 8 foot by 4 foot and about 2.5 feet tall. This one here is a little bit taller, maybe 2 inches or 3 inches taller. I've thrown various things in there. Like I said, this is going to be roughly based on hugelkultur, so I threw a bunch of stuff: green, brown, all kinds of foliage, landscaping material that came down into these raised beds, and then I will be topping it with a very nice potting mix, and then I'll be mulching on top of that. But this is what I have been up to. I'm thinking here on this side we're going to be putting some type of NFT rails. I already have these posts in here from a previous fence. As you can see, my neighbors are over here. They're already thrilled with the improvement I've made in this backyard. It was growing out of control and it was unsightly. So I can't wait to get these filled in. I'm probably going to be transplanting some of my plants from the rain gutter grow system over here and letting them go. I was also considering some type of trellis walkway right through here, right over the top of us, maybe with cucumbers hanging down, or various types of vines, maybe passion fruit or something like that. So just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. They are the raised beds. They look incredible. I didn't think I would be able to create something like this, but they look very nice. I should be rolling out with the hydroponic stuff shortly. I know a lot of my followers are here for hydroponics, not so much soil, but I'll get something for you guys going. Till next time, peace.